today's lesson. Today I am going to teach you 5 British English slang words for entrepreneurs, business, professionals, really anybody. You can use them in your daily conversations. Please give the video the thumbs up if you find it useful. It helps me, helps the channel. Come and find us on Facebook. We've got a page and a group full of free content. And you can follow me on Instagram. All right, my lovelies, let's get started with the lesson. All right, guys, the first slang word I'll share with you is dodgy. It's dodgy. 2 syllables, dodge-e, dodgy. What dodgy means, it means something's not good or something's not reliable. So that's dodgy. It's a weird one. Us Brits are weird. The way we talk is weird. All right, guys, an example sentence using the British slang word dodgy. That contract looks a little dodgy to me. And what that means, it looks unreliable or suspicious. Slang word number 2, blimey. That's blimey. Blimey. 2 syllables, blimey. What blimey means, or we use it for like, say you want to show surprise or exclamation. It's like somebody makes you jump, you go, blimey. You don't have to use that face, but you can if you want to. Example sentence using the word blimey. Blimey, have you seen that bonus check we got this week? Slang word number 4. You'll hear this a lot too. It's knackered. The spelling's a little weird. You don't pronounce the K at the front, so that's knackered. 2 syllables, knackered. Knackered. What knackered means, it means you're really tired. Example sentence using the slang word knackered. I'm not going to the party tonight. I'm knackered. Means I'm too tired. Slang word number 5. This is an old one. I learnt this one from my grandparents, but we still use it today. The word is gander. 2 syllables again, guys. It's gander. Gander. What gander means, like take a look, take a peek, see something. Example sentence using the slang word gander. Have you seen the new project plan yet? Nope. Let me have a gander. Have you seen the new project plan yet? No. Let me have a gander. All right, my lovelies, that's 5 British English slang words that you can use in your professional life, business life, whether you're an entrepreneur or just anybody in your daily conversations. Using slang words will help you fit in using the British language, and also you'll be able to understand us a little easier. Okay, my lovelies, give the video the thumbs up if you found it useful. Feel free to share it, leave a comment. See you in the next lesson. Stay tuned. We'll have some more proverbs, idioms, phrases, slang words, so that you can sound more British, and advanced vocabulary, of course. All right, bye-bye.